When you think of dinosaurs, what comes to mind? Towering giants, epic battles, and usually places like the American West or the badlands of Canada. But what if one of the most unique and incredible chapters of dinosaur history unfolded on a continent often overlooked? Welcome to a land of ancient secrets, a place we're only just beginning to truly understand. Australia. Millions of years ago, Australia wasn't the isolated island continent we know today. It was part of the supercontinent Gondwana, a vast landmass that harbored incredible biodiversity. But as Gondwana fragmented, Australia began its long solitary journey, drifting south and then north, carrying with it a unique evolutionary legacy. This isolation wasn't just geographical, it shaped the very dinosaurs that called this land home. Australia's dinosaurs weren't just smaller versions of their northern cousins. They evolved in isolation, leading to some truly remarkable and unique adaptations. Take the lightning-fast Australovenator, a fearsome predator perfectly adapted to its ancient Australian forests. Or the herbivorous Muttaburrasaurus, with its distinctive nasal crest, a gentle giant of the floodplains. And perhaps most surprising, evidence points to dinosaurs that thrived in what were once polar regions of Australia, adapting to long periods of darkness and cooler temperatures. For a long time, Australia was considered a dinosaur desert in terms of fossil finds. But dedicated paleontologists, often working in incredibly remote and challenging conditions, have been steadily unearthing a treasure trove of evidence. From the ancient opal fields of Lightning Ridge, where iridescent dinosaur bones tell stories of creatures long past, to incredible dinosaur stampede sites like Lark Quarry, preserved in stone for millions of years. Each discovery paints a clearer picture of Australia's prehistoric inhabitants. Like the rest of the world, Australia's dinosaurs faced drastic environmental shifts. As the continent drifted north, climates changed, and ancient forests gave way to more arid landscapes. Then came the cataclysmic event 66 million years ago, the asteroid impact that ended the reign of the dinosaurs globally. Australia's unique dinosaur lineage, like so many others, vanished, leaving behind only the fossilized whispers of a lost world. While the great dinosaurs are gone, their legacy lives on. Modern Australia is home to incredible descendants, like the majestic emu and the formidable cassowary, birds that carry ancient reptilian traits. And the work of paleontologists continues revealing new secrets and ensuring that the story of Australia's dinosaurs is told and understood, connecting us to a prehistoric past that's just as wild and wonderful as the Australia we know today. So, is Australia truly a land of the dinosaurs? Absolutely. Not in the sense of living giants roaming today, but in the incredible tapestry of fossil discoveries, unique evolutionary paths, and the ongoing scientific exploration that continues to redefine our understanding of this ancient and extraordinary continent. It's a reminder that even in seemingly familiar places, there are always deeper, more astonishing stories waiting to be unearthed. Now let's meet some of the stars of Australia's prehistoric past. Some of the names are hard to pronounce, so don't blame me. Australovenator, meaning southern hunter, is a name that strikes fear into the hearts of herbivorous dinosaurs. This agile predator was the raptor of ancient Australia, perfectly suited for chasing down prey through the dense undergrowth of the Cretaceous period. With its sharp teeth and claws, this lithe carnivore ruled the woodlands with an iron fist, or perhaps a sharp bite. Muttaburrasaurus, a name that rolls off the tongue like a Jurassic lullaby. This large herbivore was a gentle giant of the floodplains, using its unique skull ornamentation to attract mates and defend against rivals. Its long neck allowed it to feed on the most succulent plants, and its sturdy legs carried it through the water with ease. Just make sure you don't get its name confused with the thundering Muttaburrasaurus, a creature that's just as memorable but a bit more monstrous. Leaellynasaura, a name that's a mouthful, but also a tribute to the amazing paleontologist who discovered it. This dinosaur was a small, swift herbivore that roamed the cooler, darker regions of Australia's ancient south. With its large eyes and bony crest, it was perfectly adapted to navigate the gloom while munching on plants. Just imagine a tiny triceratops in a perpetual twilight world. Contosaurus, a name that sounds like a terrifying roar echoing through time. This massive herbivore was a true heavyweight champion of Australia, using its powerful jaws and beak to chomp through tough vegetation. Its long tail kept it upright, while its bulky body shielded it from the elements. If you ever see a dinosaur wearing a hat, that's probably it. Is Australia really a land of dinosaurs? Well, if you ask any self-respecting paleontologist, they'll tell you it's a veritable dinosaur paradise. From the tiniest hatchling to the biggest, baddest carnivore, this continent has it all, and the discoveries just keep coming. Who knows what other secrets lie buried beneath the red sand, or hidden in plain sight within those quirky Australian landscapes. One thing's for sure, though, Down Under's prehistoric past is so unique and fascinating that it deserves to be explored. So grab your trusty shovel, put on your explorer's hat, and get ready to unearth some amazing dino tales. You never know what kind of prehistoric pals you might just dig up. We've uncovered a few intriguing facts about the dino population down under that might leave you feeling like an expert. First off, these guys weren't just hanging out in the outback. Yeah, we've got plenty of fossils from the dry, dusty plains, but recent finds suggest they thrived in a variety of habitats, from lush rainforests to coastal areas. Imagine a sauropod enjoying a swim in the ocean or a bunch of ornithomimids frolicking on the beach. Second, size does matter. Most Australian dinos were pretty petite compared to their North American counterparts. We're talking head and shoulder height, folks. But don't let that fool you. They were perfectly adapted to their environment and had just as many predators and prey species to keep things interesting. Finally, birds. Yes, birds are the direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs like velociraptors and Tyrannosaurus rex. And some Australian birds still sport dinosaur-like features. That means feathered friends like emus and cassowaries are actually living dinosaurs. Now that's a fact that's sure to make any dino lover go quackers. And here's an extra tidbit for the fossil fanatics among you. Unlike many other continents, Australia's fossil record is full of surprises. Sure, we've got the usual suspects like bones and teeth, but we've also got footprints, eggs, and even fossilized skin impressions. It's like a Jurassic jigsaw puzzle, and we're still putting the pieces together. So keep digging. Down under dino detectives. Who knows what kind of prehistoric treasures await your discovery? The truth is, Australia is a dino wonderland, and we're just scratching the surface. The thrill of the hunt is real when it comes to tracking down fossils in this vast and varied terrain. And the payoff is big. Australia boasts some of the world's most impressive dinosaur sites, like the dinosaur stampede at Lark Quarry, where hundreds of dino tracks tell the story of a mass migration, or perhaps a desperate flight from danger. Then there's the Lightning Ridge opal fields, where dinosaurs get a little sparkle. Seriously, the sheer number of dino fossils found in these areas is enough to make any paleontologist drool with excitement. Plus, Australia's unique rock formations and diverse landscapes offer a natural laboratory for studying evolution. From the rugged escarpments of the Winton Formation to the coastal cliffs of the Otway Group, each site is like a window into a different chapter of prehistoric life. And the variety of rocks and minerals helps scientists analyze dino bones and tissues in ways that are just not possible elsewhere. So keep exploring, down under geologists. Who knows what kind of ancient awesomeness you'll uncover next? After all, Australia's dinosaur story is still being written. Okay, that's enough teaching for now. Hop out of your time machines. Class dismissed. Hey, thanks for joining us on this prehistoric adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through time, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more dino delights. Until next time, keep being awesome and stay curious. And remember, you're just a few brain cells away from being a paleontologist yourself. Just saying.